Fun with clay. One afternoon, Binny wanted to play with clay. She spread some old newspapers on the floor and opened her toy box. She rolled the clay to make thin lines. She put together 3 lines to make a triangle. Then she joined 4 brown lines to make a big square. Next, she made a long line and joined its 2 ends. What shape did she make this time? A circle. She took some more clay and rolled it between her hands. Oh, look! She made a shape. It looks just like a ball. I will now make a cap for my doll with clay, said Binny. She put some stars on the cap and placed it on her doll's head. Then she quickly went to show her doll's new cap to her mother.